Hey guys, welcome back. Today we're making one of my favorite rum drinks, the Queen's Park Swizzle. Let's jump right in. So first thing you're going to do is going to pick some mint from the garden. I like to pick a whole bunch because we're going to use part for the garnish. What I do is pick off the bottom leaves, throw that in the glass, and the top leaves I'm going to use for the garnish. We want about 8 to 10 leaves. Next up, half an ounce of simple syrup. That's just plain 1 in 1. 1 part sugar, 1 part water. Once you've got that in there, we're going to grab our muddler and we're just going to gently press the mint. Now you don't want to pulverize it, you just want to release those oils to flavor the drink. Next up, 3/4 ounces of lime juice. That's of course freshly squeezed, don't let the bottle fool you. And then the star of the show, the rum. I'm using Havana Club's 7-year-old rum. Any aged rum will work great here. Traditionally they use Demerara rum, but I love this particular rum here for this one. We're doing 2.5 ounces, so it's a pretty heavy drink. I've seen some recipes go 3 ounces. There's your other half. So the next thing we need is our ice. So we're gonna head outside with a Lewis bag and a hammer. We're gonna smash the crap out of some ice cubes. This is a crushed ice drink, so we need lots of ice. And then you're gonna pack your glass full of ice. So bring it all the way to the top. Now you might be saying that's way too much ice, it's gonna dilute quickly, but that's the point. You want lots and lots of ice so that it doesn't melt right away. It's gonna chill that drink get really cold, and it won't melt fast. All right, get your big spoon or your swizzle stick, and as the name suggests, we are going to swizzle this drink. So just swizzle between your hands and get it nice and chilled. What we're looking for here is a nice frost to kind of form on the outside of the glass. And to mix all the ingredients, mix that mint in there, it's gonna look really cool. All right. Now, as the ice settles, we're gonna have to top up with a little more ice. We're gonna create kind of a snow cone on the top. So a couple more dabs of ice on there. And then we're gonna grab ourselves a long straw, stick that in. We're gonna grab our mint garnish, give it a quick little smack to release those aromatics, and stick it in there. Grab our lime wedge garnish, stick that in. Alright, now this is the fun part. We're gonna grab our Angostura Bitters, and we're just gonna go to town on that snow cone top. So I'm not even counting the dashes, probably like 15, 20. But just keep dashing until you got yourself a nice bright red float. Look at that. Doesn't that look sexy? A little bit of a drip on the side. We're gonna fix that. And there you go. There's your drink. There's your Queen's Park Swizzle. This is such a fantastic drink. It's kind of like an upscale Mojito. You know, it's not overly sweet. The rum really comes through. The mint, and of course those bitters. I mean, if you like bitters, you're gonna love this drink. I mean, that's a lot of bitters on there. But really just a fantastic summer drink, very refreshing. So I highly recommend it, guys. Make one at home, and super simple. You'll love it. Odin even approves. Thanks for watching, guys. If you really enjoyed the video, please leave a comment, leave a like, and subscribe if you're not already. We'll be making more of these videos, and we will see you next time. Cheers.